All right, guys, welcome back to Paradise.
You want me to videotape you? Here.
No, we're gonna use that. If I could zoom in on this. I can't cuss in the first minute, damn it. All right, guys, welcome back to Paradise. Today we have my father, DK. Y'all have seen it a little bit since last holiday. We haven't changed too much. But for now, we have the limited edition Confetti seats that you get from the fan. He currently has S2000 interior with the wheel and the seats and the red carpet. But this is going to be like a nice change of pace already for what the EK already is. So let's get to work. Simple installs are never simple because we have this little bar, this chassis bar up here, rear sub brace, whatever you want to call it. The headrest doesn't fit. The headrest doesn't fit, so we have to not run the headrest, unfortunately. I lied. We actually did get the headrest to fit. Kind of janky a little bit, but we're working on an alternative later. Now it's starting to come together. Now, because we already got the door off, we got one more thing to put in. It would make sense to just have a speaker upgrade one time, wouldn't it? Old speaker? Yeah, I know. Remember, no latch. Old speaker? New speaker. Let's get to work.
Get in the car.
Oh! Fucking children. Teamwork, teamwork. Oh, and I almost bust my ass on ice.
Oh, the fork.
make 250. It's okay.
Yeah,
You just have to accept it. Your logic was not there. You did this.
I think it's easy because it's far away from ours is 230. This makes 50, but they were neck and neck.
Which are the blue one?
I know. I'm saying this car making 30.
But
Yeah.
not only neck and no, it wasn't only neck and neck. I was leaving him. I was pulling on him. I just slowed down.
I only got the M video when y'all niggas said,
Yeah, but right there, I showed you. I slowed it down to you. I'm ahead of him right there, and I slowly keep leaving him. When I pass you, I'm ahead of him.
more horse nigga, you gotta be beating more.
Yeah, you
I was beating him more.
Nah.
Nigga, it's only 20 horsepower. You're not gonna.
At least a car.
20 horsepower is 20 horsepower. Wheel, 20 wheel? Fuck yeah.
I even possibly, I think still that's a valid.
That's like a stock to a full
When I
on that side.
raced like a head package on Ardwick with 24 slot, it made like 260. I was making 230. That nigga let me buy like a car or two.
When you had the first battle.
Yeah, 93.
Well, that's 260 for like 225. Anyway, what Shelly was in? What Shelly was in?
I was making 230. Making like 227 there. He was making like 260,
Right.
255.
I still believe that it's just a factory freak. The factory freaks are on this motor again.
Well, look at your motor. I'll give it up to you.
And then think about it. It had the governor on the whole time before it got it tuned. I didn't realize that until after I got it
Alright,
retuned.
take the camera and point it right here.
It's called
Sweat
from all that horsepower. That's blow by. That's common with K-Series.
Come on, like him.
Motherfuckers. For reference. I still believe the 250.
Okay. You smoking some fucking crazy weed, but
Yeah, we decided back on the dyno.
You know when you change the weight, it turns the horsepower and the load on the dyno.
what do you put in weight?
No, you just put
You just put the car. It automatically has it in there. It's a Mustang dyno, so it just automatically does that. You just have to calculate for the 15%.
It only on the 8 inch, nigga, that makes up power. Nigga, it was a 20 that made like 45.
Now, yeah, that one, I'm not gonna lie, that one I was just like,
I'm gonna have him put it as a 2000, same thing as this. We'll see.
I'm about to say, we're literally gonna see. Once he pulls that motor in his car, get that tune, and then you get yours tuned, I'm gonna put my shit back on after I do my fuel system.
No, or just dyno the RSX as an RSX and then change it to an 8-car. See what it makes.
No bullshit.
Bro,
No.
that's the
You,
whole point.
you can't. No, you can't, because if his logic is right, because I weigh heavier, I should either be the same numbers or a little bit lower. If I make more, that proves that I'm making 250. It's only about 100 pounds, so even if the Mustang dyno's that off,
100 pounds shouldn't make that big of a difference.
and this is 100 pounds more, not less, 100 pounds more at that. Careful, SpongeBob. Yay! Soon we'll have a rebuilt dirt bike again.
Well, the other one who snap his fucking hand.
Hey, do you even fit on that shit no more?
Yeah, I say fits on it.
He already asked me that question first. Do you fit in your EF?
Yes, I do.
No, you don't.
But say, even that
Someone
nigga,
touched the wheel.
even him on that shit, that small should be dogging cars.
What's wrong with that motor? He's gonna put a case up in it.
That would be beautiful.
Came to the world.
Don't say that, because then John will get started with his shit too.
Yeah, I thought you had another motor.
Yeah, but the nigga was telling the Amazon Prime shit. Didn't work.
Oh yeah, I remember that.
No, we ordered it brand new. We were trying to do some scam shit.
No,
Trying to get it for free.
we wasn't trying to do that. No, we do things by the book here.
Ooh, with your husky toolbox.
That's just a cheap shit.
How is right here, laid out.
Nice clean shop. Well, the front half.
Yeah, what y'all?
No, it was.
What was the other nigga?
I think Happy.
My boy broke that shit.
Happy part did that. But I don't remember.
Now that's the ear.
I don't remember me welding this bike. This bike.
He down charged me $80 to do that.
Who?
Pops.
For real?
Well, this is back when he was working here too? Oh, I was about to say, yeah.
It was like
Oh, 20. Yeah, that makes sense.
Then it was sucking dick somewhere in Laurel.
Who you?
Look, the lore is Twinkie says Pops ass raped him on the tune, and now he's working for him.
You need socks?
My goodness. Hold on, I ain't focused yet. Nah, that shit bad. A little poor little motorcycle piston.
What did it break though?
Probably just like the heat and stuff.
That's how it warped it. Did it fall inside the motor? Bet the ride! Boost, nigga. Oh man, God damn.
It's a shorty that can see that shit. I thought you said I had two. Where's the other one?
What? No, 2 valves.
Oh, 2 valves, 1 piston. Damn. Alright guys, that's gonna be the end of this video. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, and comment. Hit us on Instagram. It's only soon that it ends with the same thing it began with. Until next time.